looking for some last minute, super easy, delicious Super Bowl recipes, stay tuned because I got you covered. The first one that I'm gonna make for you today is my Crockpot Chili. It is super easy to make, and you literally just have to dump everything in the crock pot, put it on, you know, low. If you want to put it on low, you can put it on high too, totally up to you. But I am today going to be using this ultimate beefless ground. Even as a meat eater, I think it's absolutely delicious. Try it out for yourself. You just, you know, got to make sure that you season it up good. That's like the #1 thing. But I'll tell you what I'm going to be using. I've got these cans right here, which are black bean fiesta cans. I got these at Walmart. These taste so good in the chili. These ones, of course, you don't drain. All of the rest of the beans, which are pinto, Great Northern beans, I am going to like dump them, of course, rinse them off, and then put them in the crock pot. And then, of course, I've got some tomatoes here. I've got these diced tomatoes, chili ready tomatoes. I also have a can of fire roasted tomatoes. We're gonna be using 2 chili packets. I'm gonna put a little bit of minced garlic in there. I chopped up a red onion. I'm gonna put that in there. And then, of course, our secret ingredient that is just gonna make everything taste so much better. This right here. It is dark brown sugar. And I'll probably put about 2 tablespoons in there. I will also, at the end, of course, I'll tell you if this is not enough seasoning. I'll let you know. And then, of course, I'll just add some more stuff to it. So, all right, let's get started on that.
Someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one, yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back. Come and hold you whenever you're sad.
Okay, guys, if the veggie ground is just not your thing, that is completely okay. All you have to do is you either get your ground turkey or your ground beef, cook it in the skillet first, drain it, and then add it to your slow cooker. And now it's time for us to move on to our next recipe. Okay, next up on the roster, Philly cheesesteak sliders. Super easy, very delicious. I have made these so many times. Every time I make them, people just gobble them up, for real. Let's see. So you'll need some steak, of course. I have this Black Angus thin sliced sirloin tip steak. So that you will need, of course, your Hawaiian rolls. And then I have green pepper, a red onion. You will need both provolone cheese and sharp cheddar. And then as far as seasonings, steak seasoning, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. You will also make a butter topping that will really take your Philly cheesesteak sliders over the top, made of like a little bit of melted butter, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. All right, so let's get started. The first thing is I've got some oil over here in my skillet heating up. I'm gonna chop up my vegetables real quick, and then I'm gonna saute those, and then I will add the steak in. I'm just gonna season my vegetables with just a little salt and pepper, and then when it's time to put the steak in there, of course, I'll season the steak with steak seasoning and garlic powder. So let's get started.
I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
So our meat is done cooking here. So I already split the buns in half. I'm gonna put the meat on top of that. I'm going to make our little butter mixture, which is 3 tablespoons of butter melted. I gotta melt it all in this little saucepan, along with a little bit of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, and brown sugar. And then I'm going to show you how I assemble it with the cheese and everything else. So let's go.
Come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
Okay, so while our Philly cheesesteaks are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and prep our spinach dip. So all you need is get one of these, which is Knoor brand vegetable recipe mix. So you need this, and you're gonna mix a 10-ounce frozen box of spinach, drain it, and then 1 container of 16-ounce sour cream and 1 cup of mayo. And then optional is green onions, and I'll probably just sprinkle a few on top. So you mix it all together and put it in the refrigerator. It has to chill for at least 2 hours. And when it's done, I'm actually going to serve it inside of this bread bowl. This one is a cheddar onion bread bowl, but I have used before the Hawaiian bread bowls, which I absolutely love, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I went to probably at least three different stores, couldn't find it. So, but this will do just fine. I'm just gonna cut out the middle of it. I'm also gonna tear up some of this bread so you can actually use the bread pieces to dip in it. So let's get started on that.
Give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of
Now
here.
on to my favorite part, which is of course dessert. So I'm gonna make these brownies real quick, and then of course I'm also making a whipped chocolate frosting that will go on top. Okay, so I'm gonna spare you the exact measurements in the video, but I will leave all of the measurements down in the description box for you. So I've already kind of measured out everything just to save time. This is my sugar and my salt, my melted butter and oil, cocoa powder and flour, and then I've got 4 eggs and some vanilla. So for us, I am doubling the recipe, okay? So when I leave the measurements down below, that's just for a standard like 8-inch pan. For us, we're a family of 7. If you didn't know that, we've got 5 kids and that little 8-inch pan, not gonna cut it. So I'm just gonna double it for us, all right? Let's get started.
Ooh, close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no. Let's go. Are you ready?
You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin.
Yeah.
I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. 'Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen.
Okay, so this bakes in a 350-degree oven for like 20 to 25 minutes, but if you want it fudgy, on the lower end. All right, while that's in the oven, let's make our frosting. All right, you guys, so for this super easy whipped chocolate frosting, all you need is 2 sticks of softened butter, some powdered sugar, cocoa powder, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, a smidge of salt, and then my personal secret weapon, coffee creamer. Any flavor, like your favorite flavor will do, but I like this vanilla caramel one. So let's get started.
Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. 'Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth, 'cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth, 'cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Swear I never lied to you. Swear I
Okay, it's done now. So I'm just gonna add in mine these Fritos scoops, a little bit of sour cream, and some shredded cheese. And if you were wondering, I told you if I needed more seasoning, I was gonna let you know. After I tasted it, I did need a little bit more of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of chili powder, and then I also added probably about like 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar in there too. So yes, I did. So of course, and then I'm gonna add some green onions to the top as well. And of course, it's fully customizable. You add whatever kind of toppings, you know, makes you happy. So, and then after this, our very last thing is just to frost those brownies. They're finally cool enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and frost them, and that'll be it.
And I'm not looking for revenge. I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, 'cause I got what I want, closure. You wanted her. You left me hurt. But I won't cry as long as I give me some closure.
That is all I have for today's video. I know it's not like my normal video. I usually do cleaning, but I did want to share these easy recipes with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe below, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. And if you guys like these kinds of cooking videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.